Myself, Sunil Sharma, working with SES Instruments Private Limited, Roorkee. Today, I will demonstrate the dependence of Hall coefficient on temperature, model HEX33. When you open the curtain, you will get the part of the experiment. Hall FET setup, model DHE33, consisting of microvoltmeter with range 0 to 200 millivolt, constant current power supply with range 0 to 20 milliampere, and microcontroller based temperature meter with range ambient to 130 degrees centigrade. Hall effect probe with small oven, temperature sensor, and P-type germanium sample. Multipurpose stand. Electromagnet model EMU50V at 10 mm air gap, it can generate up to 7 kW magnetic field. Constant current power supply model DPS50 with current range up to 4 ampere. Digital Gauss meter DGM102 which can measure from 1 Gauss to 20 kW in 2 ranges. Set the air gap by placing the Hall effects probe between the pole pieces. This should be as small as possible. Now fix the Hall probe or Gauss meter in multipurpose stand. Now set 0 in Gauss meter 102 using the 0 adjustment knob, keeping it in X1 range when the probe is outside the magnetic field. Next, insert this probe in pre-adjusted air gap of the electromagnet. This should be perpendicular to the magnetic field and centered of the pole pieces. First, we switch to in X10 range and adjust DPS50 as we get the 3 kW magnetic field. Keep the inner pole distance and magnetic current fixed throughout the experiment. Now, place the DHE33 probe between the pre-adjusted air gap of the electromagnet. Keep the probe sample near the center of the poles. Now, connect the 8-pin connector of the Hall probe with the unit and set the current, say 4 milliampere. And note down the Hall voltage at ambient temperature. Now set the desired temperature, say 10 degree above the ambient temperature. And take the Hall voltage reading. It will be stabilized within 5 minutes. Push this red button which makes the output current of DPS50 0. Note down the offset voltage at each step of temperature. Subtract this offset voltage from previously noted Hall voltage to get corrected Hall voltage VH and tabulate it. We have to take the experimental data as shown in this slide. Formula used for calculation of Hall coefficient are in this slide. Plot a graph between Hall coefficient R and temperature T. Change of sign of VH on heating would occur for P-type sample only. There is no need to take further readings after change of sign. With the data, we can calculate these parameters of a given P-type sample. For details, please refer to user's manual provided with the instrument. This unit can also be connected to a computer to collect the current, voltage and temperature information from the system and send these to a computer. These may then be suitably processed and presented in the form of graphs and tables. All details are available in the help file of the software provided. Thank you for seeing this video. For details of our other products, please visit our website www.sesinstruments.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.